spotted a highly feminine female embracing and living in her feminine traits: confidence, grace, tenderness, empathy, and compassion. She's very attractive, takes care of herself, and wants to give all the secrets and tips to her beautiful subscribers so you too can embody your full divine feminine power. So stick around if you're interested in improving your daily feminine habits, especially when you never know who might be crushing on you. XOXO, a feminine female. Deciding to walk in your feminine energy can give you a stronger sense of connection to yourself, which is our source of strength and power. It can take self-work and time to fully understand and embrace all of your femininity, but I encourage you to do the work so you can live your fullest life. So hurry, before I tell you some of the top secrets I have been practicing, go grab a notebook and write these 10 habits down, and I challenge you right now to start with at least 2 of them today. Number 1, a woman of high femininity shines confidence because she's comfortable in her own skin and aware of her own beauty. She's able to take chances and attempt new things since she doesn't allow insecurities to hold her back. When you shine confidence, you'll never apologize for your value since you're aware of it. You're confident and you don't need external validation. You like and accept yourself for who you are, and you're at ease in your own skin. Number 2, she embraces both her light and dark femininity. A woman who is in tune with her divine feminine energy knows how to balance both sides of her femininity and live in her true, authentic power. Number 3, she's empowering. A highly feminine woman is empowering to both herself and other women. She speaks out and takes a position for what she believes in. She also exhorts other females to pursue their ambitions and aspirations. Number 4, she's positive. She strives to find the good in every circumstance and she's aware that there's always something to be learned. Number 5, she's creative. A highly feminine woman is creative and adept at finding original methods to convey her ideas and emotions. She enjoys developing her artistic and creative side and producing pieces that are wholly original. Number 6, she dresses to impress. A highly feminine woman is aware of the importance of dressing to impress. She knows when you look good, you feel good. So don't be afraid to show off your curves and flattering figure. Number 7, she is compassionate. A woman with high levels of femininity is compassionate. She has a strong sense of empathy and is constantly eager to assist. She also understands how to make others feel valued and special. She has a huge heart and is constantly ready to offer assistance, but knows when to communicate her boundaries. Number 8, she's well-mannered. A very feminine woman is considerate and well-mannered. She speaks in a courteous, respectful, and considerate manner. She also has a social elegance and poise to carry herself in a variety of social situations. Number 9, she looks after herself. A highly feminine woman understands the importance of taking care of her mind, body, and soul to maintain her balanced femininity. Number 10, she's open-minded. A woman who embodies femininity is curious and open to new experiences. She has a keen interest in the world and enjoys discovering new people, places, and things. These are the 10 habits that I practice that have allowed me to be the highly feminine woman that I am, and the 10 habits that I encourage all you wonderful women to exude because you are. Share all the habits and secrets that you may have that I may have left out on this list in the comments and the ones you want to start working on. Let's all encourage each other to live in our highest power, especially when you never know who might be crushing on you. XOXO, a feminine female.